Still on coordinate geometry, gradient of a straight line. Subscribe and turn on notifications if this is your first time of joining us. Gradient of a straight line. Given a line with coordinates px1, y1 and qx2, y2, the gradient of the line pq is gotten below. So just watch till the end and see how we're going to calculate for the gradient of a straight line. This is at the point P with coordinate x1, y1 and Q with coordinate x2, y2. Now let's do something like this to get their respective changes. Let me put a point arrow here. Now, the value of this y will be y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1. And the value of this x, that's p arrow, will be x2 minus x1. Now the gradient of line PQ is the change in y over the change in x. Or you can say increase in y over increase in x. They are the same. So the change in y in this case is q arrow over what? P arrow. And this is equal to q arrow is y2 minus y1 and p arrow is what? X2 minus x1. So this is the gradient formula. Now, this is a right angled triangle. You agree with me? This is a right angled triangle. That's triangle PQR. And I can actually form an angle here. Let's call the angle theta. Now let's look for the tangent of this angle and see what it will produce. Tan theta is equal to, tan is opposite over adjacent. That's q arrow over what? Adjacent. That's p arrow. And from what we just did here, q arrow is y2 minus y1 over p arrow is x2 minus x1. And so we can say that tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Remember, this is our gradient formula. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is equal to this tan theta. So we can say that the gradient of a straight line is the tangent of the angle that the line makes with the positive x-axis. Find the gradient of the line joining the points 4, 3 and 8, 12. This is our x1, that's 4. Y1 is 3. X2 is 8 and y2 is what? 12. So the gradient of the line is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is it. Y2 is 12, y1 is 3, x2 is 8, x1 is 4. So this will give us 9 over 4. So that is the gradient of the line is what? 9 over 4. That is also tool number 1 over 4. This is the gradient. What if we are asked to find the angle of slope? That is the angle that the line joining these 2 points makes with the positive x-axis. It's simple. Tan theta is equal to the gradient. That is 9 over 4. So to make theta the subject of the formula, you take the tan inverse of both sides. Hence, theta is equal to the tan inverse of 9 over 4. And this will produce 66.04 degrees to 2 decimal places. So this is the angle of slope that the line joining these 2 points makes with the positive x-axis. And this is the gradient of the straight line. I'll see you some other time in my next video. Subscribe, like, share, turn on notifications, and tell your friends about this channel. I'll see you some other time in my next video.